All right, now we're going to add to this wonderful fresh rosemary some minced garlic. Okay, don't be shy, we love our minced garlic. And then we're going to add some olive oil. I like extra virgin, this is nice. This is going to be our wonderful seasoning for our salmon. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now you want the salt to taste, guys, so don't be shy, it's to taste. So you have to mix it and taste it so you see where you want it to be at, okay? Let's mix this up. Oh, that looks rich. As you can see, I already oiled my pan nicely. We're gonna put this wonderful salmon in here. Wow, look at that, wonderful. All right, we're just gonna spread this wonderful fresh minced garlic and rosemary and extra virgin olive oil. We're just gonna press in nicely. We want these flavors to get right in our salmon. Yes, don't be shy, look at that. Push it right in. Oh, this is delicious. All right, let's cook this to 10 to 15 minutes until fully cooked in a wonderful oven for about 350 degrees or 375, depends on how hot your oven is. Let's pop it in. All right, let's get some olive oil in here. Wonderful. All right, wonderful minced garlic. We want to release some flavors. We got some fresh rosemary. All right, let's release the flavors. We want to release the flavors, guys. All right, let's add our grape tomatoes. Yes. Yes. And our chopped fresh spinach. Yes. Okay. All right, just sprinkle it nicely with some fresh Parmesan cheese. Just hit it nicely. Oh, wow. That's what you want. Wonderful. All right, now we're gonna put this on the side, guys. That's it. Now we're gonna take this wonderful spinach and grape tomato and rosemary and fresh garlic and toss it right in here and get these flavors all together with our shell pasta. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna toss this up. All right. We're just gonna toss this up. Look at that. Look how easy this is, guys. Look at that. Yes, absolutely. And then, you see what you do? You just add a little Parmesan cheese. There you go. There you go. All right. You just toss this up nicely and put this aside and serve. Okay, guys, our salmon is done, as you can see. Beautiful. Now we're gonna prepare to slice it and put it with our pasta. All right. All right, put this in there nicely, guys. Put your salmon in here very nicely. Look at that. Wow. Okay, guys, here we have it. The pasta and the wonderful salmon. It is delicious. Please like and subscribe for more delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.